Hello. Mm. There we go. It's kind of hard talking to my Alright, 20 minutes until the game jam starts. I already have the game design document template ready. And also the PirateSoftware livestream, so I can topic that will be chosen. All this separate. There. Don't. Minutes. just gonna hide the view count. There. And I'm kinda hoping that the voting won't be Twitch only. Because then I need to log into Twitch. And it's almost only 10 minutes. So, and voting will begin at 2. Um, I'm just jumping between the live stream, like Thor's live stream and just the countdown. And the film music. Seven minutes. Five minutes. 3 minutes. Game. I might just log into Twitch just in case. Log in. Twitch. There, logged into Twitch. Start watching. And hide the chat. Is there a way I can lower the quality? Yeah, lower it. Nope, now it's starting in less than a minute. Close that. I am gonna shrink back to normal. And then on the edge where the chat is, I am gonna do this. Just in case. Oh, now it's in negative seconds.
I think I'm gonna do this one. What is the boon?
And also,
Your minions deal 50% more damage? Holy
also
shit.
put that up.
That is insane. Alright. We're gonna swap the content for a minute. Let me close all this other stuff. Open this. Put this
Pause
here.
the music.
Put this here. Put that there.
GameJam time.
We're gonna pause this out. We're gonna set this music on. And we'll change this over to Game Dev. Are you guys ready for the Game Jam?
Yeah.
The theme. It's happening. I'm gonna announce it to the Discord real quick.
I'm just gonna crop on every edge and then zoom in. Oh. Zoom in that. Like that.
Okay, I'm going to be setting this up on Twitch side, so YouTube, you guys will have to vote on there. The reason why is because Twitch side lets me do more in the poll, unfortunately. And I want to set
Good
that
thing
up.
I logged
So give
in
me
then.
just a moment to go set up a poll. I'm going to do that through my dashboard over here.
Very good that I logged in then.
Load. Twitch is taking a minute.
Wait.
Okay. There we go. Creating a new poll. Now, understand, this is round 1 of 2. I am turning off channel points for the vote, so you will not be able to use your channel points to be able to add to this vote. The votes are going to be 10 minutes long each. They're going to be 10 minutes long each. Actually, we're going to do 5 minutes on this. We'll leave it up as 5 minutes.
That's the PirateSoftware Twitch chat behind me. Then I can move the other chat away a little.
All right. The first 5 categories that you're voting on are going to be 60 seconds. Everything has a cost. You are the weapon, the moon. And all you need is 1.
Oh, those are
Poll
long.
started.
Those are
Go and
good.
vote. Everybody gets 1. Yeah, there's 5 themes first, and then another 5 themes, then we fight the 2 head-to-head.
I like the top 3. Those are really good.
There they go. Chat is off.
Hello.
Go and vote for the thing that you think would be coolest.
I think You're the Weapon
Yeah,
is
no, it's
a
only
pretty
on
good
Twitch side,
theme.
YouTube.
Also,
YouTube only
hello.
allows me to put 4 up at the same time. Twitch lets me put 5. You're going to have to vote on it there. Yeah.
You just got here in time for
On
the
Twitch side, we have
voting.
28,000. On YouTube, we have 2,000. Come vote. Just come vote. Yeah, come vote. Come vote. I am a weapon. Yeah. The moon, though. The moon could be haunted, chat. Oh.
Currently, You Are the Weapon theme is winning the first poll, so, and I voted for that one, so.
Is TTS on? Yeah, I'm going to do TTS.
Man
I do
Doodly
it
with
manually.
500 bits said, did you know, tulips can be any color but blue? However, in America, tulips.
This is going to be a Ligma, I swear to God.
Man Doodly with 500 bits said, tulips on my nuts got M chat.
There it is. That's a Ligma. It's like a really obvious Ligma. Like, come on. Come on.
Average PirateSoftware viewer.
Droxy Av with 1000 bits said, Yar cheer 1000. I'm on mobile and don't want to pay mobile price, so here's one.
Alright, right now the wait is just waiting for the poll to end.
Bro, that is wild. Yeah, no, never buy bits or subs on mobile.
Donated $50 to charity.
And then seeing what the rest of the themes are.
72
The top 3 are really good.
in the charity drive for the Humane Society United.
So any of the top 3 winning is good for me.
Now we're doing our GameJam themes. So I do a GameJam every 6 months. And this one, chat is currently voting on 1/2 of all of the themes. And whatever one wins this will go head-to-head against some from the other side. Or one from the other side, rather.
But it looks like You Are the Weapon will win this vote.
Yeah, there we go.
Water.
Waiting on this. Grab that.
Red Sword 144 donated $100 to charity.
Thank you, the $100 to charity. You're amazing. 5 minutes is way too long. Gives everybody a chance to go and get it. It is not way too long. You will survive. You have 14 days. We're not doing 60 seconds. There are still votes coming in right now. Like, people are still spam voting in.
Doc Sassy donated $100 to charity.
Thank you for the $100 to charity. You're freaking amazing.
Screaming Cowboy with 1000 bits said, good morning Thor. Today is my birthday and life is exciting right now. My wife is now 36 weeks pregnant. I'm learning programming, and I'm challenging myself to compete in the GameJam.
Hell yeah,
I just
dude.
want to thank you for reigniting my interest in programming. Much Texas love from my family to yours, and keep doing you. You're awesome.
Dude, no, you're awesome.
Daughter
Holy
of
shit.
Fergus donated $100 to charity.
Maybe the $100 to charity. My God. You guys are freaking rad. Where to vote? It is a poll at the top of chat. If you don't see it, you need to refresh your browser. You usually can't engage with this on mobile either. Twitch is finicky about that.
Imagine if there are already entries.
You guys got to vote? You got to vote?
There isn't.
You got to vote? Not enough people are voting. Vote, vote, vote. You got like 20 seconds left. And I haven't seen how many have voted yet.
Donated $69.69 to charity.
That is boss. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. Nice. Nice, nice.
Add.
All right. This will be the first half. What's it going to be? You voted on mobile for what it's worth? It usually doesn't work. That's good. That's good. Hell yeah. Make sure my character doesn't get logged out in the middle of this run. Happy partner anniversary. Thank you very much. All right. The first half is You Are the Weapon. You Are the Weapon has won round one. The second round. Let me go build it now. Which theme? And it's going to be the themes of The Boss, Dig, Side Effects, Instability, or Do It Again. Poll has been started. Good luck.
Ooh, I really like Side Effect.
Please link. It's up there. It's pinned in chat. Just go click the pin, dude. It's actually not even pinned. It's actually part of Twitch's UI. If you can't see it, refresh the page. Oh. What are you guys building with it? Oh. There was a really strong push for one of them, and now it's been completely upset. How does the theme work? It'll be the theme for the entire GameJam. Where's Hubert? Didn't he want to be here for this? I don't know. I don't know where he is. Mr. Christopher Yee. I messaged him. I said, jam vote happening now, and I added him.
I still need to figure out a fun game idea. Which is usually the hard part.
You Are the Weapon is cool. You Are the Weapon is pretty cool. You guys voted on that one for round one. Why are there 2 polls? There's 10, that's why. There's 10 total themes. You guys choose 2 of them in back-to-back, and then you choose one of those 2. You guys have chosen so far, You Are the Weapon has been chosen. So far, it's You Are the Weapon. But now you're choosing a second one, and then we're going to have those 2 vote against each other.
Imagine if it's a 50-50 again.
No, it's 3 total rounds. What theme for the GameJam, my dude? We do one of these every 6 months. What is instability? They're open-ended for a reason. What do you think it means? so I
fine.
don't log out.
Mostly just nervous for the game jam.
Are mobile games allowed? Read the rules. It's browser-based games. You have like 30 minutes for logout? Do you really?
Thank you.
Oh, the ads. We're gonna wait on the ads.
Enigma Codes donated
10 questions for
Nope. Gonna skip the ads. By just not looking at them. Can move this into a separate window. Just wait until the ads are over. I'll probably be a bit more talkative after the theme is picked. Because then it'll be much easier to brainstorm. Until then it's mostly just waiting around. However, it does look like Side Effect is winning this vote. Ads are taking so long. There we go.
And they always say everyone. And then I stop conversations with them. These guys, when I said that, they said, oh, no, this is specifically for companies. Only
Side
for
Effects
companies.
has
The
won
average user isn't gonna know
this
this. So it's
round.
like, okay, now tell me more about your business. And I was like, good. And they've just been fantastic. So I'm more than happy to work with them. Yeah. Because I just don't want that shit to be like, you need to get a VPN for security. I'm like, no, you don't. Like, stop it. Stop doing that shit. All right, so round 3. You are the weapon versus side effects. And this is it. It's not going to be a double theme. There will not be a double theme. Whichever one wins, wins. And that's it.
Oh,
So vote for the one that you want the most.
and it's kinda good.
There is no double theme this
But
time.
I say
It's not
oh.
going to happen. All right. New poll. Which theme? We've got you are the weapon and side effects. Do not allow additional votes. The poll has started.
I think Side Effects is
Poll
slightly
has
better.
started.
Slightly vaguer.
Seeing some strong support. It's going, dude.
Aftorn donated $69 to charity.
Shout for your favorite one, the one you want everyone to vote for. You can do this. You can spam it.
Probably
Toasted
Side
Waffles
Effects
_
would be the
donated
slightly
$100
better
to
one.
charity.
Thank you for the $100 to charity and the $69 to charity. You guys are amazing. Ready for you. You can do it.
But something different to the last 2 times I did a game jam. I don't really have a game idea this time. With the last 2, I at least had an idea of what I was going to make. That's not with me right now. I have ideas for games that I can make, but I don't really have an idea for the game I want to make.
You guys got a lot more time left. You got a lot more time left, dude. I actually don't know which one's going to win.
It looks like you or the weapon is winning.
Let's see. View. We're going to do word wrap.
Weapon 1 is winning by almost 1,000 votes.
Alpha Puffer Fish donated $50 to charity.
Thank you for the $50 to charity. You're freaking amazing. Oh. We are the weapon. But you may also have side effects. Movie will get logged out. You're right about that. I should probably do that. Thank you. All right. Put this back on. Actually, let me see if Miserable Manic Shadows is in here. There we go. It's like 1 minute left, dude. There's no AI rule? That is correct. You have to have the license to any work that you produce, and you can't prove that with AI. All right, chat. You have voted. 57% of you.
You Carry Oats donated $50 to charity.
Thank you for the $50 to charity. 57% of you went for You Are the Weapon. Now, You Are the Weapon doesn't necessarily mean that you're just the weapon. All right? Here's a short description that I just wrote up. This theme can be expressed in a number of different ways. Maybe you're cursed and become a weapon that other characters have to wield. Maybe you're an integrated organism that pilots a world-destroying gun. Maybe you're Doom Guy. He's basically just a weapon, let's be real. Whatever the case, you exist to, I'm going to say, inflict pain. Oh, wait. Maybe you could even take that in a different way.
think I have a decent idea for
Yeah,
what I
there's so
want
many
to
ways
make.
to do this. Yeah, there's so many different ways to do this. Could I be a healing weapon? Maybe.
Alright, we have the theme. Alright, let's open Microsoft Paint. Yeah, black. And then... paint. Cool. Oh god. That's not at all how I want it to work. That's not what it's supposed to look like. Paint. Let's delete that. Remove. Yes. And then add game capture. Will that do it? Paint G. Yeah, specific window. Paint. Alright then, let's not use paint, let's use Krita. Just any size. Create. There we go. And then let's use Krita instead. Still not working. Why? Window capture. Krita. There we go. That's working much better. Krita. There. Why isn't what I'm drawing showing up here? This is really annoying. Why isn't it working? Properties. Why does it not show up? Screw it. Okay. So give it a name later for the 2025 PirateSoftware GameJam by Nixian. Is that one? Delete that. So basic game idea. I have an idea. I don't have. That's loud for me. Game ideas. Let's just roll some random game ideas. My idea is, what if there's a game where you play as a... I'm gonna skip this because this is just noise. It's one of those enemies that, like, don't move when you look at them, but in reverse. Where you are that really powerful enemy that can just dash. Right, I should move this back to browser. Okay. Game where you play as I guess Weeping Angel would be the best way to put it. They are like that. Endos from FNAF, Security Breach, and Joy of Creation. Yeah, Weeping Angel. As far as I know, they don't exactly just kill you, though. Meanwhile, most other implementations of Weeping Angel-like characters usually just instantly kill you. SCP-119 something. SCP-19. This is why I hate using Edge. 196? Is that the one? No. 19. Hello. 173. That's also like this. But what would be the your weapon part? I guess just being generally powerful enough can make you consider it a weapon. I guess let's just go with the concept that the character that you play as is powerful enough to be considered a weapon by itself. Then we can work on that. Then I can work on that later. Enemy that is only able to move when observed. Solving puzzles to escape. So, inspirations. I guess, yet again, weeping angels. Weeping angles. Yeah, I just want to copy image, why is it so hard? Weeping. Even though I yet again spelled it angles. Angels. And it's angle. This be 173 and those. I'm mostly considering making this first person, so it'd be kinda hard to model wings. I'm considering like the main player is like one of these, a creature that is only able to move when unobserved. I told this to loop. Let's just go with that. All these characters are quite powerful and have the shared gimmick. Will there be NPCs? That I don't know. Because freely moving around things are kinda hard to program. And they're not hard to program, it's just a pain. The shared gimmick that they can only move when unobserved / not seen. This could provide for a unique, let's just say that, gameplay experience where the player has to avoid being spotted. For a different reason than getting caught. What other inspiration do I have? Not much. That's basically the only idea I have so far. We can come back to this part later. Player experience. Small levels with the later ones being a little more large and harder to navigate without being spotted. I'm still thinking about how I can make it fun, because that's like the hardest part. You can make any game you want, but if it's not fun, then it's not fun. I'm thinking, what if you're not just one of these, but like a few? So if one gets stuck, then you still have a way to move. Or there's another something that is more for distraction but can't solve puzzles. I'm thinking that could be fun. They're being spotted. If spotted, they could have a second creature or something that could take the attention of the first one to let it continue. There. Released on itch for browser. Browser. Game development. I will be using Unity 6 point something. I don't know. Long number. Unity 6000. Blender and Krita for art and level design, and then FL Studio 24 point, what version is it on? Image line. It is currently Discover FL Studio. That's not what I want. FL Studio. Overview. Download. 24.2. 24 point. Back. 2.1. For all music and SFX. Single player puzzle casual. I think those work. Anyone who can find anyone who enjoys a stealth puzzle game. Stealth. The player controls a primary creature. I'm getting an idea now. What if the main creature can just possess other creatures of its kind? To get attention off itself. That sounds fun. Control a primary creature that can temporarily possess other creatures to get attention of itself when caught due to the player not being able to move when spotted. The theme is "You are the weapon." Trademark. You are the I have lost my ability to spell. Weapon interpretation. The player creature creature is quite powerful, so in my interpretation of the word, I think the creature is strong enough to be considered a weapon. Semicolon. Colon 3. Primary mechanics. Primary mechanics could be... I mean, walls are in almost every single game. Spikes. Yeah, root. I can come back to these two. Theme interpretation. I think I'll go for a very monotone color palette. Limited color palette. I sure hope that's how you spell palette. Limited color palette with highlights being deep red. Just because spooky design. Low poly models, so it's easier to make by myself in 2 weeks. Oh Christ, that's demonic. Music. To add to the retro-ish style of the visuals. I guess I can just use general old sound fonts. I will use older sound font to make the game sound older. I don't know. SFX. Crushed. UI. Simple UI telling the player if they are currently in line of sight to anything. Keyboard, I guess WASD to move, arrow keys to look left and right, and E to oopa. E to interact. F to possess. And I can't work on a timeline. I think that's simple enough. Random question, what is your favorite game? Currently it's modded Terraria. It's really fun. I guess I can just start a new file then to make the game Universal 3D. For first puzzle, I guess you could have just a room and your goal is to get out, and the way to get out is that there's a guard walking outside and you can possess it. Like that. And you win when you exit the room. That could be a first nice little introduction. Let's try to make that. And then hope that I am able to export it onto web. Yeah. Create project. Let's put on Kirby music. Until I wait for Unity to open. Do 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 do. This might take a minute, so I'm gonna get some water. Be right back. Get some text up. Burp. I'm back. Also, I keep forgetting that I have... Where can I put this text? Into the Shadow Realm. I keep forgetting that I have like all these expressions that I have made. And I just keep forgetting. I have them, I just don't use them. Because I keep forgetting to use them. They're quite funny. I have absolute panic. Confusion. Just shock. And Unity is still yet to open. I have found Weeping Angel scripts before, but they're usually the other way around. Where, you know, it's just general. If the player is looking at something, then it can't move. But I think it should be easy enough where it goes the other, to have it go the other way around. It doesn't sound that hard. And then watch me spend 15 days out of the 14 just working on just how to detect if the player is in view. Oh. Unity has successfully booted up, so I can move to here. Transition. Tools, automatic scene switcher. This can switch to this, and then let's open a script. Once it decides that I am good and worthy for actually using the Unity that is already open in front of me. Am I able to use Unity now? Hell yeah. On a behavior script. Player. And then let's open Visual Studio. Tools, automatic scene switcher, opening Visual Studio. Who's my favorite video game character? I don't know. There's just so many to pick from. Okay, this is not being nice. And if Unity is open, then move to Unity. I just need to set this up to actually show the correct thing. There we go. So now if I jump back and forth between this and this, it works. Alright. So first of all, Control A delete. Then make a plane. That will be our floor. Make it about 10 big. Then we add there's mesh collider on it. Why is it so thick? Anyway. Mesh collider. And then we add capsule. Also known as bean. Now that we have a bean, let's add a camera to it. Camera. Let's rename the capsule to player. Why did it move over to that? Why did it move on to Visual Studio? Player. It really just wants me to go on with the script. Script. Does the player really need anything else? Is there a tiny camera on the main camera? What does the tiny camera mean? Render type base. Overlay. I'm used to the Unity 2022. I don't get this. Solid color. Black. There we go. Let's make a player movement. So, public, not void, float. I need a rigid body. I need a rigid body. Rigid body. I don't do this often. This is something that you do once in every game and then you forget how to do it by the next time you do it. So... public rigid body RB. If RB dot, let's just Google it. I can't be bothered to try to reinvent the wheel. Unity 3D movement script. I need to do something first. There. I guess character controller would be better, wouldn't it? Character controller. CC. Unity has this in their documentation. And I think I am just gonna use this. Then I will always need to rework it 15 times because I don't like how the character moves. Line 21. Set that to lake. Public. I keep minus, pressing minimize. Oh, this moves wherever this looks wherever I move so far. Which is useful, but not what I need. I want tank controls, so this is where I need to actually do things. Game object transfer. Public, void, not void, float. Look, speed equals 5f. So game object transform dot rotation local rotation equals rotation dot. I only want to change one angle. The Euler angles equals vector 3 dot. There we go. Rotate. A vector 3, so new vector 3. Is this the direction or the amount? Zero, zero, and then actually no. Rotation, look, speed, and 0. So this should theoretically do nothing. If input dot get key code dot left arrow And there's a very good chance that I'm doing this backwards. Favorite animal, axolotl. My favorite animal has almost always been an axolotl. Or ferrets. Those are the top two of my favorite animals. Let's see if this works correctly. Okay, problem is it's interfering with the input system. Delete. 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 Let's try now. Why is it taking so long for this to work? I hope I didn't break Unity instantly. Okay, there's a next to not zero chance that I may have instantly broken Unity. Immediately. Let me just fix that. No. End task. There we go. Okay. Let's see if it works. Take 2. Nope, it still moves. It's gonna be this one, isn't it? I guess I can just use mouse X, mouse Y. Input dot get mouse dot mouse position delta dot I think stream died for a second. Okay. Let's see if this works better. It does not. Why? Start. Books are in the way. Mouse dot mouse cursor lock mode equals cursor lock mode dot locked. Cursor.lock state equals cursor.locked. There we go. Nope. Let's try the y-axis. Also nothing. Great. Z? I thought it'd be Z. It'd be really weird if Z worked. Nope, nothing. Even if it'd be the y-axis, it needs to be rotated. Times look speed. Times look speed. Oh, it's because of this if statement. Never mind. Still not rotating. Why? Transform to rotate. Input.get access Where are the axes? God damn it. Mouse X, mouse Y. Get access. Mouse Y. Negative. That's Y. Mouse Y. I'm getting tired from this. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a space. I never thought the camera movement would be so hard. But as it turns out, it is. CC. Controller dot. What do you mean it's not a variable? It says get set. How to rotate a game object in Unity. Not in the editor. Transform, not train, transform. Rotation. Quaternion. Rotation dot. Set axis angle. And by amount, that would be watching this. Angle axis. Set Euler angles. 0. Transform dot rotation 2. Use angle.axis instead. Let's hope this works now, finally. It works. Just really slow. Times look speed. And let's set look speed to like 100 or something. Look speed, let's set it to 50. Okay, what did I mess up? Why did it suddenly stop working? I want to check, does this work? Oh my god, it does. Quite slow, but it does work. Okay, so I think what was happening is earlier I had this I had this line twice. Once positive, once negative. And they just counteracted each other. Let's add a cube as well for a frame of reference of which way I'm looking. Okay, it's backwards. And extremely quick. Is the look speed still on 100? It's on 50. Okay, and invert it again. It looks like it works when it's inverted. Oh wait, I'm using the wrong axis. Okay, now it's backwards again, so it was the right way, I was just... Also, I will most definitely forget this by the next GameJam in, what, July? Alright, that works a lot better. How big is my hitbox? Oh, it doesn't move where the player's looking. Times transform dot rotation dot Euler. Times transform Can I multiply two vector 3's by each other? Transform dot forward. Okay, how can I set the forward in this? times transform the forward of x. Guess that's the best way to do it. Let's see, will I move in the direction that I'm looking in? No. Really? Where do my other player controllers move? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Here, assets, scripts, edit in Notepad. How does this work? Vector 3 to forward. Right. Let's use this as reference. So remove these two. Curse X. Is player speed. Equals, let's float, equals player speed times input dot get access horizontal float. I should just duplicate that. Curse speed Y. Vertical. And then move direction. vector 3 forward equals transform direction vector 3 dot forward vector 3 dot vector 3 right equals transform dot transform direction vector 3 dot right and move. Where's move direction set? At the top. Private vector 3 move there equals vector 3 dot 0. So then move there equals forward times curve speed x plus right times curve speed y. So then controller dot move there times time dot delta time. That took a bit. Okay, it moves in the correct direction. It is, however, backwards. I'll just copy over the looking script. public input. Game object.get component in children camera. Game object.find find object by type camera. Object with tag. Never mind. I think I'll just minus the forward. That sounds easier. Okay, now it's from 90 degrees off. Still 90 degrees off. Why does it not like me? Did I mix up the horizontal, vertical? Oh my god, I might have. I swear if it's this. It's gonna be this, isn't it? Oh my god, it was that. Can I jump on top of this? I cannot. I flipped the two. Alright, increase the player speed. Player speed 5. That was so annoying to fix. And did I learn anything? No. I will make the exact same mistake in 6 months in the next GameJam. Alright, quite a bit speedier. I still can't hop on top of the box. I think I'm gonna end stream and just eat, rest, and then be back tomorrow. That's far too annoying. But I am too tired to keep for today. And I did this for 3 hours. I think it's fine. Alright, bye bye. Bye. Tomorrow at whenever I wake up. Bye.